Yo, what's up guys? Finally I'm back with another video. তো আজকে ভিডিওতে আমি দিতে যাবো আমার নিজের ইউজ করা একটা টেক্সচার প্যাক যেটা আপনার ডিজাইন করতে অনেক হেল্প করবে। And also thanks for the 40 subscriber. I really appreciate it. Pack is also available for PC and phone, so both can use easily. Pack is password protected, so watch till end to get the password. So let's get started. Yeah, that's it, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you enjoyed the video, then don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon to get notification of our new videos, and keep supporting me so that I can give in more packs in future. Till then, see ya.